Hello, everyone. Welcome to my website. Sit back and relax as I give you a short tour of this website. I designed this website to use as a classroom teacher, hence the name Miss Mars's Classroom. And because I'm a primary school teacher, I decided to go with a rainbow theme because I know children like a lot of colors because it's more attractive to them. There are 6 pages on my website. Those include the home page, Meet the Teacher, Events and Calendar, Students, Resources, News and Updates. And I'm going to take you through each of these pages in that same order. So let's get into it. The page that we're on right now is the home page, and it's actually the first page on my website. It serves also as the welcome page. So the first thing you'll see is welcome. And then after that, you'll see a short message to students and parents or guardians. Because although this website is designed for students, it also caters for parents or guardians so that they can get involved and see what's happening in the classroom and be a part of their children's school life. After that is a short video I made for the students to welcome them again to the classroom and also to let them know what is expected in the classroom. As you go down further, there's a quote by Nelson Mandela, and it reads, "Education is the most powerful tool which you can use to change the world." Followed by that is a web image, play, learn, and grow together. All of these are there to encourage students, especially as they join this website. And at the bottom, the final thing there are some buttons that will take you directly to these pages: events and calendar, students page, resources page, and news and updates. So if you don't want to go through all of the pages at the top, you can also access these 4 pages from the bottom of the home page by using these 4 buttons. So now we're going to the second page, which is Meet the Teacher. So this page, it looks similar to the first page, and you'll see that all the pages look similar in terms of the header, where it says Miss Mars's Classroom, and then at the bottom here it says something different. So this is the Meet the Teacher page, and on this page there's a quote that says, "Every child deserves a champion, an adult who will never give up on them, who understands the power of connection and insists that they become the best that they can possibly be." And that is my mission, to help students to realize their potential and to be the best that they can be. So this page is a get to know me page where the students and the parents or guardians will get to know me, the teacher, who I am. It gives information like my name, how long I've been a primary school teacher, my passion, and it also includes a photo of me when I graduated from the university, so they can see who this person is that they're reading about. It also includes my favorite color, food, subject, hobbies, and my mission, like I said, is to inspire young children to achieve their highest potential. Below that is a link that will take you to a video which gives some further information about who I am, where I'm from, and so on. So parents will get to know me a little better. And there is the contact me button that the parents or the students can click on to message me directly, to send me an email. The third page is the events and calendars page. On this page, we have school and class events, and it says, let's keep up. Save the dates so that parents will know what's happening on what days, so that they can organize themselves and their children. So we see here, it's a calendar, my Google Calendar, that's attached to this website, and it's going to give students and their parents information for the whole month. For example, there's Labor Day. Yesterday we had a holiday, and today is the day off because the holiday was on a Sunday. Then we have here reopening of school and so on. So here they will find events happening throughout this month. Whatever month it is, they'll see the events showing up here. Then below that, there's a quote, and this quote is, it says, know the true value of time, snatch, seize, and enjoy every moment of it. No idleness, no laziness, no procrastination. Never put off till tomorrow what you can do today. By Philip Stanhope. And I feel this quote is appropriate for this particular page because it deals with time and all of that. So there is the daily schedule, and here it is. If you click on each subject, you'll see a drop down that gives you a brief explanation of what the subject is about. And below that is a picture of students playing the steel pan, just an activity that some students might participate in. Now our next page is the student page, and when you click on the student page, when you go to the student page, you'll see a drop down, which is a sub page attached to the student page with some resources. So let's go to the student page. This page also begins with a quote that says, always do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest later. It's an encouragement for students to do their best. And as you scroll down, you'll see a picture of some of the students and also a short video of the students at work in the classroom. Below that is a video of classroom rules, which the students will be expected to follow in the classroom. Below that are 3 buttons: classwork, homework and assignments, quizzes. If you click here, it's going to expand and it's going to tell you where this button will take you and what you will be doing. This button will take you to our Google Classroom and you'll find daily work there. This button, if you click on it, is going to take you to Google Docs, where you'll find your homework and assignments, and this one will take you to Google Forms when we have quizzes and so on. So if you click on the buttons, it'll take you there. All right. At the very bottom of this page, we have story time, and it starts with a quote that says, today a reader, tomorrow a leader, to encourage students to read. And here I have a sample reading passage, and the instruction says click here to listen to the passage, to me reading the passage. So if you click here, you're going to hear me reading this same passage that is shown here, A Visit to the Water Park. And that's the end of this page. Our next page, sub-page, that is, if we go to the sub-page, we're going to find some student resources and another quote. So we have some classroom resources, some resources that we'll use in the classroom and we'll add as time progresses. So the first sample we have here is how to make ham and cheese sandwich. And if we go on, we're going to see some online resources. Emotional regulation, which is a project that I did with another colleague in the class, and my digital citizenship project here, and some other videos that are related. Being a good citizen, is it cyberbullying, follow the digital trail. All of these are related to being a good digital citizen and using the internet safely. So these are some resources that students can go to on the students resources subpage. Our fifth page is the resources page, and here we have some resources for parents resources, just some videos to help parents along the way to know about the digital age and how to help their children at home. And then we have the teachers resources, some resources I created in my class. I included them here, as well as some other resources from the internet. Our final page is the news and updates page, and we will update parents and students about what's going on. For example, we have no school on May 22nd. On May 3rd, school reopens, and we have a poster here about spreading germs. Thank you.